guys, welcome back to Miss Share's Kitchen. Today we are making curry beef. Yes guys, I said it, curry beef. Anyways, let's get into the video. We're going to start by washing our meat. Yes, my meat was a bit frozen. I thought of cooking a bit late. I don't plan to cook in the morning, but anyways, here we go. After washing our meat, we're going to put a bit of cooking oil, and then we're just going to fry our meat. Yes guys, I like bones, especially when I'm making curry or stew. I like to use the stewing beef, like it does magic for me. So I'm just going to put salt. Guys, I'm known for putting a little bit of salt and not enough, but on this dish I made it. Anyways, after browning our meat to the color that you want or like, we're going to remove the meat back into our dish, and then we're just going to put the onions in the same cooking oil that we used the last time. And then this is chili and garlic, crushed chili and garlic. I'm going to just use 2 spoons because I want it to have the taste but not the hotness of it. Guys, forgive my voice. Yes, I sound horsey today. Oh, flu. Anyways, I bought this. This is a curry pack. I bought it from the butchery. So you can also look for it. It has all the spices that you need to make a curry. So the first stage, we use the first two spices. But what I noticed on the first 2 is that the other one is mild curry spice. Yeah. And then we put back our meat, fry it a bit for it to also receive the spices that we just put in. Guys, the smell was so delicious. Like, I wish I could just put it over the phone for you guys to taste. Then we're just going to put our tomatoes. Guys, this was so nice. Like, I wish I could dish it to you guys over the phone so that you can experience the taste that we went through. I hope you guys will try this recipe and let me know what you think. In the situation that you can't get this from the butcher, you can use all the spices that you like, but just make sure you've got your Raja curry in. So I did taste the salt from the meat. It wasn't enough. Yeah. So we're going to add our water as well so that we can allow it to simmer. Since our meat wasn't that well done in the first place, we just fried it and we didn't boil, remember, Bafazi. And then now we're going to do the potato peeling and then cutting our potatoes into cubes. And then we're going to just add them into the water. Into the water so that they also get cooked. But we're not going to add more water from the water that we've put in the first place, so that we just don't have a pot full of water and not the perfect stew that we are going for. So yeah, this is us putting our potatoes, and then this potato part is a bit longer than I expected it to be. Okay. And then we're just going to add the remaining 3 spices. There's turmeric. I noticed that there's turmeric, and then there is the other spice. No, I don't know it. I would not lie to you guys. And then the other one was herbs, dried herbs. And then we're just going to allow it to cook with the potatoes that we just put in. So as soon as you finish putting your potatoes before they cook, you now add the 2 remaining spices so that they can boil together and also get the connection, infuse. So I just added a bit of water because I noticed that my stew wasn't going to be enough to boil and as well for us to enjoy. Anyway, this was the end product. You can eat this with your bread or you can have it with your rice, and it was so delicious. Please let me know what you think.